Funeral directors are the face of a funeral home. They are often the first people you meet after a loved one has died. We created the dress code decades ago for the benefit of the families with whom we interact at such an emotional time. After much thought, I determined we could not go along with the employees' proposal. It was a difficult choice, but I felt it was in the best interest of the grieving families our business serves.
Americans should be able to rely on what the law says. Yet for the past 6 years, our clients, Tom Ross and Harris Funeral Homes, have been targeted for doing just that. First, it was unelected government officials. Now it is the ACLU that seeks to redefine sex in federal law, a change that Congress has repeatedly rejected. Our federal law prohibiting discrimination because of sex, Title VII, is a promise that women will not be treated worse than men and men will not be treated worse than women. The law's text does not mean that employers must treat biological men as women.
I'm glad to have been able to bring this before the courts, and what happened to me was wrong, and hopefully we can fix that and correct it from this point on. Thank you.
Our argument was simple. The argument is that when Congress passed Title VII, it intended to make sex irrelevant to people's ability to succeed at work. When Amy Stevens was fired because of who she is and not because of her performance at work, she was denied what Congress sought to give. And all we are asking the court to do is to recognize that transgender people have the same rights under our civil rights laws as everybody else, not to be discriminated against because of their sex.